पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Honorable Chairman of the Legislative Council, Honorable Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Honorable Chief Minister, esteemed members of the Council of Ministers, respected members of the Legislative Council and Legislative Assembly, and the hard-working and peace-loving people of Telangana. It is with immense pride and unwavering commitment that I stand before this esteemed House today. This budget session is a moment of reflection, reaffirmation, and a commitment to ensuring that every citizen of Telangana has the opportunity to dream, to grow, and to prosper. Telangana is not just progressing, it is transforming. The vision of an inclusive, self-reliant, and empowered Telangana is being realized with bold reforms, people-centric governance, and decisive leadership. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. These words of Mahatma Gandhi remind us that governance is not just about administration, it is about serving the people, transforming lives, and building a future of dignity, prosperity, and justice for all. My government has set an unwavering course of development, ensuring that the voices of farmers, youth, women, workers, and entrepreneurs shape policies and decisions. I am confident that in this budget session too, my government will strengthen the foundations for sustained growth, the pillars of social justice, and accelerate Telangana's journey towards a future of limitless possibilities. My government envisions a Telangana where inclusive development, innovation, and sustainable progress go hand in hand by embracing technological advancements, strengthening social welfare, and fostering economic opportunities for all. We are committed to shaping a future that is both prosperous and equitable for every citizen of our state. As we move forward, our vision for Telangana is one of shared growth, technological advancement, and equitable progress. A model state that stands as a beacon of development and prosperity. Honoring Telangana's identity and legacy. Telangana is not just a geographical entity. It is an emotion, a symbol of struggle, resilience, and unyielding determination. Our culture is deeply rooted in history and tradition, but our vision is forward-looking and progressive. Recognizing the contributions of Telangana's greatest voices, the government is planning to honor literary and cultural legends like Gaddar, Guda, Anjaya, Bandi, Yadadgiri, and others. This is not just a recognition of their talent, it is a tribute to the voices that echoed the aspirations of our people. The adoption of Jaya Jaya He Telangana Janani Jaya Ketanam as the state song is a celebration of the past. Song is a celebration of the past, present, and future of Telangana. The Telangana song not only honors the struggles and sacrifices that led to the formation of the state, but also instills hope and inspiration for the future. The song envisions a Telangana that is progressive, prosperous, and inclusive. reminding every citizen of their role in shaping a brighter tomorrow. It is a call to unity, resilience, and emotional and cultural bond among the people. The official adoption of the Telangana Talli statue further reinforces the state's unique identity and inclusive spirit. Unlike traditional representation, this statue is a reflection of every individual who belongs to Telangana, cutting across caste, class, and regional lines. It symbolizes self-respect, empowerment, and aspirations of a dynamic and forward-looking society. Placed at the heart of our public consciousness, it stands as a testament to Telangana's journey, achievements, and its limitless potential for the future. This effort celebrates and upholds the rich cultural heritage of Telangana, fostering a deep connection with our traditions while embracing progress. This cultural revival not only strengthens our shared identity, but also unites our people in the spirit of collective growth and harmony. Agriculture, the foundation of Telangana's economy. Telangana's farmers are the soul of the state. Their sweat and toil feed our people, sustain our economy, and uphold our tradition. It is the government's moral duty to support, uplift, and empower them. Telangana has emerged as the highest paddy producer in the country, with a record of 260 lakh metric tons of production. This is a testament of the resilience and dedication of our farmers, and this government stands shoulder to shoulder with them. To ensure financial security, my government has implemented a rupees 2 lakh crop loan waiver, benefiting 25.35 lakh farmers, amounting to 20,616.89 crore. This is not assistance. It is a justice and a reflection of the time-bound implementation of the commitments of my government. Further, under the Raitu Bharosa scheme, direct financial assistance has been enhanced to rupees 12,000 per acre per year, allowing farmers to invest in modern techniques, better seeds, and improved irrigation. In an unprecedented move, the government has support to landless agricultural labourers under the Indira Atmiya Bharosa scheme, providing 12,000 per annum to families who work tirelessly in the fields. A total of 566 Raitu Vedikas have been established, equipped with state-of-the-art audiovisual media. The Raitu Nestam initiative is now fully operational in all 532 rural mandals, providing a dynamic platform for farmers, scientists, and administrators to engage in structured video conferencing. This initiative facilitates seamless knowledge sharing, fosters collaboration, and significantly contributes to agricultural advancement and rural empowerment. A bonus of rupees 500 per quintal for Sanakaram paddy, amounting to 1,206.44 crore, has been released to farmers to ensure fair pricing and income security for farmers who produce the varieties of paddy that our people consume. As a major step towards centering the agricultural sector, my government has established the Telangana Agriculture and Farmers